Hey friends, my name is Catherine and I am going to be painting on a pair of shoes today. I picked up these shoes for like $5 and I want to put designs on the front of them because they're plain and white and boring right now. I'm going to be making them matching, but not the same. So I'm going to be painting them one at a time, and today we are going to be doing the left shoe. I'm going to put a flower on the front of this left shoe right here. So I've got a bit of foam and I've got a round brush and I've got some red paint, which I should probably actually shake up before I just go squeezing it everywhere. There we go, some red paint, and I've got some orange paint, and I've got some yellow paint, which I don't know that I'm going to use all that much of, but we'll see. So we're going to be doing like a flower. So first thing that we want to do is just take with our round brush, dip it in the red, maybe pick up a little bit of orange, but not too much, and then just put a circle on here, like sort of in the middle. Go kind of circle like, there we have it, and then grab some orange and bring it over, and grab some red and bring it over, maybe a little bit of yellow, just kind of more orange, kind of want it to be kind of orangey, and then take and put maybe more orangey still. Maybe let's drag a lot more orange over into it. And then just kind of put some petals around the top. And this is why you want to use a round brush, because you want to end up with round-ish petals. Go and just bring the petals out to the side for a ways. And then maybe some around the center a bit. And more out to the side. This should, I'm hoping, turn out to be a fairly quick flower. Maybe we need a little bit more orange in that. Maybe pick up a little bit of yellow. Now that we're getting to the front, maybe a little bit more yellow. Ooh, maybe too much yellow. We'll see. That's not so bad. Go. And then what we're going to want to do is bring petals up from the bottom. And there we have a pretty decent flower, I think. I could go back through with a little bit more yellow and put a little bit of definition along the edges of those petals, maybe. Sort of like that. And then what I'm going to do is, once this dries, I'm going to take and never wet the whole shoe. That will help, because it's a white shoe, so it'll help keep it from getting too dirty. It'll help it from soaking through, since it's a canvas shoe, so it won't get quite so wet here in the Pacific Northwest, which is a good thing because I don't particularly like having wet feet. And it will help protect the acrylic paint on the shoe so that it doesn't get ruined as I wear it around. In general, it's probably just a good idea. Go, maybe a little bit more yellow over here. Yeah, I'm liking how that's turning out. And then maybe like some right up over the top. There we go. And that gives us a nice painty sort of flower on a shoe. Excuse me. I maybe could have done it a little bit bigger, but so long as I match the size of the painting on the other shoe, should be all right. Anyway, tune in tomorrow and watch what I do, how I paint, what I paint on the other shoe. If you know me, you might already be able to guess, but we'll see. We'll see. And remember to subscribe, and bye!